Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. And today we're going to talk about why doesn't my oven heat? Well, a couple of reasons, but let me guess. You previously you cleaned the oven because you haven't cleaned it in a while, and all of a sudden now it doesn't heat. Well, this is what happens. Like I said, we use our ovens 6, 8, 10 months a year, okay, and then all of a sudden we go to them and touch them, they don't heat. Well, usually when it doesn't heat after you've cleaned it, that means you've blown up a thermal fuse, okay? These come in multiple shapes and sizes, and what they are is they're meant to protect your oven from runaway heat, and so it doesn't do any damage to the internal parts, okay? So what happens is if you don't clean your oven for 6, 8 months to a year, then all of a sudden go and do it, you've got a layer of ick built on there. And what that does, that transfers heat through the unit, so the fuse that sits, basically we'll say this right here, but directly on the back of the unit where you can't see, that'll blow. And what that does is that takes power away from one of the 220 legs of your stove. Same thing with your oven. The ovens down here, they also have a fuse that will actually cut out when it gets too hot. Okay, so yes, Thanksgiving is around the corner. Christmas is just barely beyond that. So if you're thinking about cleaning your oven, make sure you do it well in advance of Thanksgiving. Because I guarantee you, if you do it 5 days before Thanksgiving and it blows up, you're not gonna get someone out there in time to fix it. Guaranteed. So get a jump on it, do it now. Do it soon, so that way you can find out, one, if it works, and two, if it does have an issue, you can get someone out there to fix it so you can make that wonderful Thanksgiving dinner that we all know you're gonna have. Now, yes, you can see it is almost November, so we're doing the no shave November, so I had to get a jump on it because I can't grow hair that well, so it takes me a few extra months. So don't forget, check your oven, clean your oven, and then if it doesn't heat, call someone out, because I guarantee you, you do not want to take this out of the wall, go behind it, get this little piece, replace it, and put the whole thing back in. That is something you really want a technician to do, because if that slips and falls, you've just lost your entire oven. Or the same thing with your oven. It's on the back side of your oven here. So yes, you can take the oven out and look for it. You can do something like that yourself. That's actually not too all-fire difficult. But if you do have a double oven, call someone to do it. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and tune in next week for some more wonderful information. Have a wonderful week.